Hi, I'm GJ. Today we're going to do a story called King of the Birds in Blue Group. One day, two birds, Parrot and Jay, were having a quarrel in the branches of a dark fir tree. We need a king, they decided. So make sure we play fair. So they arranged an important meeting where all the birds could come to choose their. I wonder if I could be king, Crow said to himself. When he heard about these plans, but maybe everybody will think I'm too dull looking. He thought about Cockatoo's lovely yellow feathers, Hummingbird's bright blue chest and elegant long. Cockatoo looks fantastic, he chirped. Suddenly, looking at his plain black feathers and look a little hummingbird, I've got no chance. On the day of the meeting, all the birds tried to look as good as possible. The elephants squirted and sprayed water to clean the boots, and the crocs used their teeth to brush off all the dirt from feathers. Crow stood watching sadly from the side of the pond. Crow looks so plain, whispered Cockatoo whispered to Hummingbird as they got ready. He's got no chance, Hummingbird chirped back. All the birds flew off to the meeting except Crow, who stood miserably by the side of the pond. Then he spotted some bright feathers lying on the grass. Had an idea. Maybe they can help me win. CNTYYP. How do you think the bright feathers might help Crow become king? Put the answer in the comments. And bye. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.